Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel aka Nelly B, and today's video is me inviting you guys to join the Ife360TV's Ayurvedic Hair Challenge. Now before we do anything, hello all, are you subscribed yet? If you just happen to stumble across this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Let's see if we can get this video to 20 likes and see how that goes. Let's start with there. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and let's go. Now, a little bit about Ife. Ife is a Trinidadian YouTuber who currently resides in China. We crossed paths, if I'm not mistaken, in a YouTube group that I was a part of for local content creators. And I just took to her. I absolutely love her content. She's very much about using Ayurvedic powders in her hair. And you have seen the results. She has a gorgeous head of kinky curly hair. And for me personally, why I decided to take up a challenge is because within, let's say, between late November and January, I had a lot of hair loss, and I just overall did not like how my hair felt. And she really advocates for Ayurvedic treatments for your hair, so I said, well, why not? And to make things easier, I already had a bunch of Ayurvedic powders on hand that I got from Henna Trinidad a while back. So right now I'm currently using Amla powder, I'm using Shikakai powder, and I'm using Cassia Obovata powder as well. So about the Ayurvedic powders, how do you use them? Well, I've been using them primarily in 3 ways. The first way is in terms of a cleanser. Shikakai powder, mix it with some water. It actually foams up when you shake it. It's a really good way to cleanse your hair. The second way that I'm using the Ayurvedic powders is like a mask. I've used Cassia Obovata as well as Amla as a treatment for my hair, as an alternative to protein treatments. So I mix the two, add a little bit of water, add a little bit of oil, some apple cider vinegar, put it on my hair, leave it on for about a half an hour, and rinse it off. And this has helped to strengthen my hair. And then last but not least, I've been infusing oil with them. I got some coconut oil and I've been infusing them with some of those same powders that I mentioned before. This is actually what it looks like. I have had this infused. Give it a shake. I've had this infusing now for probably about 3 weeks. Actually, could be more like a month. And you can also, you can do it on the stove if you want faster results, but I will let my time take in terms of using it this way. So mix the powders, leave it in a jar, leave it somewhere room temperature, and let it infuse naturally. I actually got the idea to infuse my oil with the powders from Keon Hair. So you could also check out her channel as well, because she does a lot of DIY stuff and she uses a lot of Ayurvedic stuff in her hair as well. So now that I've possibly, maybe kind of somewhat convinced you to join me on the Ayurvedic hair journey, you're probably wondering, okay, where can I get all these crazy powders and all that you're talking about? I will tell you off the bat that Henna Trinidad is the one-stop shop to get all your different Ayurvedic powders for your hair. And the good thing about Henna Trinidad is that they deliver. So if you can't go to them, they can come to you, or they will courier pack it to you via TT Post. If you work in the Port of Spain area, then I would suggest you could also check out Mustafa Zara at her. They also carry quite a few of the Ayurvedic powders, as well as other things like licorice root and hibiscus petal powder, etc. So you could also check them out for stuff as well. So if you guys are interested in joining us on this journey, leave a comment, let me know. Make sure you go and check out Ife's channel. She's really DIY and she's such a darling, so make sure you go check her out. Tell her I sent you. You can get all the instructions from her channel on what you have to do to join this hair journey with us. I really hope you guys join us. I'm gonna put all the links for everything from whose channel to video to benefits of using Ayurvedic treatments in your hair in the description. So when y'all have a minute, take the time, check out Ife's channel, subscribe to her, read all the links so you can get a better understanding as to how Ayurvedic treatments are good for your hair. And I hope you all join us and come on board. I really do. So that is it for today's video. I hope all is well with each and every one of you. I hope your carnival was okay, whether you partake or not. I was home for most of it, give or take, having to be Port of Spain with my mother on Carnival Monday. But otherwise, it was a pretty quiet carnival for me. So I hope all is well with everyone. As always, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.